This is another handmade ceramic cat fountain made of stoneware, completely handmade, 100% food safe. Adjustable pump, no pump noise. Cord goes through the base of the fountain through a watertight feed-through. Shown here on high, you can run this lower with barely any sound at all. Glaze is mahogany. Wonderfully rich glaze. This and other cat fountains are available on www.catfountains.etsy, that's ETSY.com. They also serve equally as well as indoor fountains for home decor. www.catfountains.etsy.com